Ever pondered the question, how can I tell if an older woman wants me to approach her? Well, you're not alone. Most men grapple with this, often missing signals or misreading cues. But fret not. Today we're uncovering the mystery behind the 7 key signs that an older woman wants you to approach. We're steering you towards more successful interactions, helping you decipher her body language, expressions, and behaviors. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey into the world of understanding women better. Now guys, it's time to dive in. First up, observe if she's scanning the room. If you spot a woman frequently looking around, it's a good bet she's open to meeting new guys. This isn't a glance or two we're talking about, but a consistent, deliberate scan of the surroundings. She's checking out her options, seeing who's in the vicinity. Contrast this with a woman who's not interested. She'll keep her focus directed elsewhere, maybe on her friends, her phone, or whatever's right in front of her. Her attention won't stray to the wider room, and she won't be looking around. This is a clear sign that she's not open to being approached. No matter how attractive she may be, or how interested you are, if she's not giving off the right signals, it's a no-go. Remember, don't approach if she's not giving off the right vibe. Instead, look for the woman who's scanning the room, because she's likely ready for your approach. Next, watch for the look and look away move. This is a subtle yet significant sign that a woman is interested in you. Imagine you're at a social gathering and you notice a woman glancing your way, then looking away, only to repeat this action a few times. This is not a mere coincidence. It's a playful, almost coy game that many women employ to capture a man's attention. It's an invitation of sorts, a silent plea for you to approach her. She's giving you a clear green light, signaling that she's open to conversation. This repeated look and look away move is a woman's way of engaging you without saying a word. It's a dance of the eyes, a flirtatious game that she's playing, and you're invited to join. So the next time you notice a woman giving you these subtle, repeated glances, understand what it means. This sign is virtually a guarantee that she wants you to come over. The third sign to watch for is if she stands near you. This might seem like a simple, random occurrence, but believe me, it's not. If a woman consistently finds ways to be in your vicinity, she might be signaling her interest. This is particularly significant in settings where there's ample room. If she's standing next to you at a crowded bar, that's one thing. But if you're in a spacious place like an art gallery or a park, and she still ends up close to you, that's another. She's not just there for the view or the fresh air, she's there because you're there. She's positioning herself in your orbit, subtly inviting you to engage. It's like a game of chess, and she's just moved her queen to your side of the board. Pay attention to her vicinity, guys. It might be a clear sign she wants you to make the move. Our fourth sign is her exaggerated movements. Some women, when they're interested in a man, tend to amplify their actions. This could be laughing louder than usual, flipping their hair more often, or gesturing emphatically with their hands. It might seem like she's just being expressive, but there's often more to it. This is a classic tactic of drawing attention without making it too obvious. By being more animated, she becomes more noticeable, especially in a crowded place. Her laughter, which might seem a bit too loud, is designed to catch your ear. Her frequent hair flips, those are to catch your eye. And the wide, sweeping gestures with her arms, those are to make sure you're seeing her in your peripheral vision. But the real clincher here is if she's checking to see if these actions have caught your attention. If she's constantly glancing your way to gauge your reaction, she's likely interested. If she's checking to see if you've noticed her, she's likely interested. The fifth sign to watch for is the smile and hair flick. This is another subtle but potent signal that a woman is interested in you. When a woman smiles at you while fiddling with her hair, this is no random act. It's a deliberate, playful gesture designed to hold your attention. She's practically broadcasting her interest. This could be a flick of her hair off her shoulders, a twirl around her finger, or even a gentle tug at the ends. All these are part of the tantalizing dance of nonverbal communication. Now, don't mistake this for a nervous tic. The key here is the combination of the smile and the hair play. It's a powerful duo that's difficult to ignore. And when paired with direct eye contact, it's a pretty clear invitation. So gentlemen, pay attention. If she's making eye contact while playing with her hair, she's probably inviting you to approach. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Recognizing the 7 signs that an older woman wants to be approached is a crucial skill. Let's revisit these signs. Firstly, we noted that when she's scanning the room, it's an indication she's open to meeting new people. If she's constantly looking around, it's a good sign she wants to be approached. Secondly, we talked about the look and look away move. If she glances your way, smiles, and then repeats this sequence, it's a pretty clear sign she's interested. Thirdly, we discussed proximity. If there's ample space, yet she chooses to stand near you, it's a signal she might be interested. Fourthly, we pointed out exaggerated movements. If a woman is laughing loudly, flipping her hair, or gesturing a lot, she's likely trying to grab your attention. Lastly, we covered the smile and hair flick. A woman playing with her hair while smiling at you is another strong signal. Remember, these signs are all about her body language, facial expressions, and behaviors. Paying attention to these subtle cues can give you a great advantage. But always remember, even if you notice these signs, approaching a woman should be done respectfully and considerately. So guys, keep these signs in mind and increase your success with the ladies.